Scratched, broken, shattered screens. Have inferior screen protectors let you down in the past? At Gadgetshieldz, we knew there had to be a better way. 13 months ago, we embarked on Project X, a mission to create the ultimate glass screen protector. We scoured the globe for the finest glass materials, processed them through state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, and put them through a battery of rigorous impact and scratch tests. And after more than a year of extensive prototyping, we finally found the screen protection that could live up to our standards. We found X.Glas, the ultimate glass screen protection. Let's visit our labs, where we put X.Glas through some tough benchmark tests. Imagine a metal ball hurtling towards your phone from a height of 6 feet. No matter the abuse, we made sure X.Glas could handle it. X.Glas. Available in 2 versions. Ultra, made with the class-leading Corning glass in a slim 0.4mm profile and an easy application tray. And Plus, with a tough aluminate glass in a slimmer 0.3mm profile. X.Glas, the ultimate in glass screen protection. From the house of Gadgetshieldz, the trusted name in device protection.